Hello, welcome to the Workforce and Organizational Management Peer Exchange, sponsored by the Agency Capability Building Portal Community of Practice. My name is Gary Vansuch. I'm Director of Process Improvement at the Colorado Department of Transportation, and I'm going to address some of the things that we are doing in terms of workforce development on improving our business. The business of CDOT is planning, building, operating, and maintaining the Colorado transportation system. And at CDOT, each of us has a role in running the business and then a role in improving the business. As you might imagine, workforce development for running the business is things like helping to train and develop and mentor our maintenance employees on how to maintain our highways, how to actually lay down asphalt and concrete and steel so that our transportation system is the best in the country. Or for our engineers, the mentoring and development and training that it takes to become a world-class highway engineer. Running the business is crucial, so is improving the business. I'm going to be referring to some links in a moment, and I hope that you can follow along as we go through these before the peer exchange. One of those is at operations.colorado.gov, and then /performance-management. The other one is our main CDOT webpage, www.codot.gov. From the operations.colorado.gov webpage is one of the offices of the Office of the Governor, the Office of Operations. And I love that they have on that webpage the Colorado Smart Government Act of 2010, SMART standing for State Measurement for Accountable, Responsive, and Transparent Government. That act actually requires all agencies, including CDOT, to incorporate continuous improvement in how they operate and to ensure that employees receive training on operational excellence. In fact, from that act, state government agencies should operate under a performance management philosophy in which employees focus on taxpayer and customer services, underpinned by the constant goal of achieving operational excellence. A system of continuous improvement is crucial and necessary as part of that performance management philosophy. And then a continuous process improvement system means a system based on lean government principles or another widely accepted business process improvement system by which a department engages in specific activities that have the purpose of increasing efficiency and eliminating waste in the processes used to deliver goods and services. And I think that's wonderful. Lean is a methodology for process improvement, and its fundamentals are continuous improvement and respect for people. Respect for people translates as developing people, developing the skills for running the business, but also developing the skills for improving how the business runs. And yes, government is a business. Private sector has businesses. Those businesses run and improve, and they have as an outcome making a profit, and that's great. State government, it's even more important. The business of government is providing products and services to improve the lives of people. And that's what we do at CDOT day in and day out. And again, I'm so fortunate to work with so many wonderful people at CDOT that run the business and also improve the business so that we can provide better service to our fellow citizens, our fellow residents of Colorado, everybody across the United States that uses the Colorado transportation system. In fact, people from across the world who use the Colorado transportation system. If you go to codot.gov and you put in the words process improvement, as I'm going to do right now, process improvement, and you search, the very first item that comes up is process improvement, and it will whisk you to our Innovation Improvement and Engagement Hub. We have this hub on our external website. There's about 8 billion people on the planet. Half the planet can actually access the internet. So this is available to about 4 billion people across the planet, including all of you, to help us, first of all, celebrate our innovators, but secondly, also share the innovations that our people have developed as part of their workforce development activities here at CDOT, and as part of our activities to provide the best customer service to all of our customers over the products and services that we deliver from CDOT. Our primary methodology for engaging people, we have branded Lean Everyday Ideas. And that's simply the notion that everybody at the Colorado Department of Transportation is encouraged to identify opportunities to make improvements to their own workspaces and their own work processes. We say, work on something that bugs you, make it better. and then let's share it so that we can give you good recognition, but also so that other people across CDOT and across across the United States and really across the world can benefit from the innovations that have been developed here for solving problems that are similar. We have developed a website for those implemented innovations. We have about 425 of those innovations documented on our website here so that people can actually see the innovations, appreciate the innovators, and perhaps even borrow some of those innovations. We have a database. That database is searchable. I've actually put in the word guardrail into our database. It pops up about 24 different innovations about fixing guardrail, transporting guardrail, measuring guardrail. They're wonderful innovations. In addition to giving good recognition to the innovators, these innovations can be clicked on. I'm going to click on the guardrail post puller, and you can find out more information about the guardrail post puller or any of our 425 innovations. In this particular case, the challenge was pulling delineator posts, and those delineator posts along the side of our highways from the ground could be slow and dangerous and ineffective. Mike McQuarrie, one of the folks in our Northeast Colorado region called Region 4, took this on as a challenge. And after the 5th iteration, developed what you see here, a better way of pulling those delineator posts from the ground. You can actually click here for more details. There is actually a movie, there are some photos, and there's actually some details about how to borrow this innovation. So if you're facing a similar challenge in your agency, in your organization, we encourage you to borrow from CDOT. And our innovators know this, so they work hard to actually provide not just great improvements, but great information about their improvements. This is the video. It runs about 8 minutes. I encourage you to view it. It includes some voiceover by the innovator. It shows the true passion that our innovators have for improving our business. We also have a yearly recognition process. We call it the CDOT Innovations Challenge to find the best innovations of the year. It's a playoff system like the NBA system. Our current challenge is still underway, 2024. The innovation winners from 2023 and our Innovations Challenge, where our subtitle is Innovate Your State, are available on this page. We try to provide good recognition as well as good information about those innovations. I encourage you to think about your own business, your own agencies as having operations where you run the business and you also improve the business. And I encourage you to borrow from us at CDOT. I look forward to meeting you virtually on Friday, August 16th during the Peer Exchange. Thank you.